You can work with multiple files in Photopea at the same time, but we don't want to merge the two files together into one document. So I've got a second file that I've downloaded here, and if I just grab it and dump it here on top of an existing document that's currently open, it puts it inside the other document. That is not what we want to do. So I'm going to hit the X here, and it's still in there. You have to undo what you just did, so you can do a Control Z. And the proper way of doing that is to grab the file. Instead of dropping it on the existing canvas, we click and drag and put it up here. You can see this bar kind of gets highlighted. That's your docking bar for allowing you to work on multiple documents at the same time. So now you can see I have two separate files. So my layers panel, when I'm on this document, shows me only the layers in this file, and then this document shows only the layers in that file. The other thing that I want to go over in this video is saving your work. So after you make some changes, I'm just going to change the layer sequence here just to make a change in this document. Now, if I click the tab, it's going to tell me, hey, you didn't save your work. So if I want to return back to the same document with the changes that I made, I have to save my work. So you'd go to the File menu in Photopea.com, and then you're going to hit Save as PSD. The default doesn't let you control the file name, but it will save it inside the Downloads folder because that's where the file originated. And that's how most computer applications work. Wherever you open it from, that's where it's going to save. So if you do need to return back to the file for further editing, and you go to your Downloads folder, I'm just going to use this option here to do Show All. There'll be two in there. This one is the one that I just saved with the changes, and this was the original file. But again, this is all going to the Downloads folder. It tells you right here because I opened the file originally from the downloads. So now if I click Show in Folder, then it's going to open my Downloads folder and show me. So again, this was the original one. This is the saved one. My recommendation is that you create a folder within your Google Drive for all of the work that you're doing for this class so you can stay organized. Otherwise, you're going to have a mess like this, like my Downloads folder, which just has a gazillion files in it. So hopefully that helps.